So today we're going to think back to middle school and we're going to think about how to look at similar fractions. And your warm-up question is going to ask you, are the following statements true? And how do you know? So for example, if we look at the fraction 8 over 6 is equal to the fraction 12 over 10, we want to know whether or not that's a true statement. So one way we can test this is if we take our calculator, we do 8 divided by 6, we get 1.33. If I do 12 divided by 10, I get 1.2. Is 1.33 equal to 1.2? No. So that means that they are not true. It's not equal to each other. Another way that we can test this is if I do 6 times 12. So if you guys remember doing this method in middle school, I can do 6 times 12 and I get 72. And then if I do the same thing but the other direction, 8 times 10, I get 80. And again, 80 is not equal to 72, just like 1.33 was not equal to 1.2. And so I know that this one is not a true statement. So then I can test this again with the other one. So I have 9 over 12 is equal to 15 over 20. So I can use one of those two methods. I can do 9 divided by 12 and I get 0.75. And then I could do 15 divided by 20 and then again get 0.75. So those are the same numbers, so they are equal. Another way I can test it is if I do the multiplication of diagonals. 12 times 15 is 180. And so 9 times 20 should give me 180. And it does. So those are two methods for us to show whether they are true or not true. So now you are going to do a couple of examples yourself.